Hello, boys and girls. This is Miss Fowler, and this is a new week for us. And this week we are going to be going over a special book that I like called Pancakes for Breakfast. And this is video 1. Here's our standards and our targets that we go over at the beginning of the week. So this week, with some help, you're going to be able to retell familiar stories, including details from those stories. Identify characters, settings, and major events in a story. Describe the relationship between illustrations, the pictures, and the story. Describe familiar people, places, things, and events that goes with the details from the story. Add drawings or other visual displays to descriptions as desired to provide additional detail. So our target's basically what we want you to be doing for this week. I want you to be able to tell me characters from a book, the setting of the book, and events that happened in the book. Also, I want you to be able to retell the story, and then I want you to be able to draw it or describe your routine, your breakfast routine daily.
Waffles for breakfast.
You mean pancakes?
No.
Pancakes for Breakfast by Tommy DePiola.
Snow is on our house. Someone's snowing. Someone's thinking of making pancakes. The same person is reading a book how to make pancakes. She's reading the ingredients she needs. She has a bowl, and then she has flour.
She pours the flour into the bowl.
She pours flour in a bowl.
And then what does she do?
She makes a mess.
Oh, I think she's out of eggs, Dean.
No, she's gonna go and get some eggs.
Oh, Dean, where's she getting her eggs from?
From a chicken.
Yes. Where's the dog at?
Looks like she's out of milk.
Oh, does she need to go get milk, Dean?
Yeah, from a cow. She's heading out the door. She's milking the cow.
Is she walking home?
Yeah, she's walking home, pouring the milk inside the milk jar.
Oh, does the cat look like he likes it?
Yeah,
Well, how do you know?
because
He has his tongue out, like
she's out.
she's pouring the ingredients into the bowl, right?
She's putting the bowl in this big mixing thing. She's mixing.
Oh, Dean, if you see the clock, it took her 30 minutes and her face looks sad. Why do you think she's sad?
Because it took her 30 minutes. And butter,
What
Mom.
is it? You think that's butter?
Yeah,
Or is that from all the mixing that she did?
I think that's from all the mixing.
Yeah.
She's happy. Oh no, she's out of mixing syrup.
Is she out of syrup?
Yeah. She's heading out the house and getting some syrup.
Oh, Dean, it looks like she's going to a maple syrup place. Do you see how the syrup comes off of a maple tree?
Yeah, those are maple trees.
The maple trees, and she's buying syrup from the man, right?
Hi, guys.
Oh, look, what's she doing there, Dean?
She's walking home.
Walking home and thinking about all that she has left to do, right?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
She's thinking about making pancakes.
Look at those tasty pancakes, Dean.
Yeah, those look so yummy.
What happened, Dean?
Everything made a mess.
Who made a mess?
The dog and the cat.
Oh, no.
Pancakes are flying away. She smells pancakes.
Oh, I wonder where they're coming from. Dean, where do you think she's going now?
I don't know.
You think she's following the smell of pancakes?
Yeah. Another family is making some.
Is she going to eat their pancakes?
Yeah. She's nice and full and taking a nap.
Oh, what a fun book.
Thank you for listening to Clifford.
What book did we just read?
We read Pancakes for Clifford.
Pancakes for Breakfast.
So, friends, that was our story. And now what we're going to do is we're going to discuss a few things. So my question for the day is how does this author use pictures to tell his story? As you notice, there weren't words with each picture. That's because the author wanted you to be able to look at the pictures and tell a story by just what the picture is trying to say. So in number 1, here she got up in the morning, she was washing her face off, and she was dreaming of having pancakes for breakfast. So in number 2, she went to the kitchen, pulled out a recipe book, and started making pancakes. Number 3, she had to go get eggs to make the pancakes. And number 4, as you can see, she had to go milk the cow because she didn't have no milk. So then when she got it back into the kitchen, she poured it into the bucket. All these different pictures show how the author was trying to tell you parts of the story. So what I want you to do, for homework, I want you to look at this picture. If you have to, go back to the slide with the book on it and reread the picture or reread the book. And these 3 things, I want you to try to recall the book and what the book said, discuss with a family member what the author is trying to say, then I want you to try to draw your own picture of what you remember that will come next. Thanks so much for working with me this week, going through Pancakes for Breakfast, and please remember to visit us at Boys and Girls Club of North Central Florida.